Here's the question. May pagkakataon bang nawalan ka ng pag-asa? Paano mo muling natagpuan iyon? I'll translate it in English. There was a time that you lost hope in your life? How did you manage to find it again? Have I lost my faith in life, in myself, in my faith in Christ? Yes. Once, when I was younger, around 8 or 9. Yeah. I lost my faith in myself and in everything because of family trauma, chaos, negativity around you. But I always remind myself whenever I feel lost and losing faith in everything, I always pray and always remind myself that it will always pass and always come back in faith in myself and in everything, because everything, in my opinion, everything happened for a reason. And I don't question that kind of things, for as long as I know God will guide me, and I trust that. Each time, every time, whenever I feel lost hope, I prayed in everything and trust that everything will be okay, and it will always will be. And it just takes time to see that everything has a purpose. Sometimes and most of the time it doesn't make sense, but I know, I can feel it, and I trust it will make sense someday. In everything, just be patient with yourself. It really takes time to pull back yourself, to have faith, especially in yourself and in God.